Evan, good to see you. Now, we've been together 3 years, and I know getting to these events is always a big deal for you because it seems that every single time we have one, you've had another child, you know, but you got a new 12-week-old.
12 weeks.
Congratulations. But take me back 3 years ago. Where were you? You were PTing, right? What did that look like financially back then for you? And then fast forward to now, which is 3 years later, how does business look like and kind of where are the finances now?
Yeah, so I suppose back then I was PTing, I was teaching class as well, and I was probably making a few K, nothing crazy, and I suppose it wasn't enough income as well, you know, with a family as well, you know. I think your priorities have to be not just yourself, you have to look after them as well. So that's when I think I had to make the stepping stone for myself to go from, I suppose, someone who was just ticking the boxes to someone who's going to be a business owner.
Fast forward 3 years, you're no longer PTing. And you've got a fully online business. Where have you managed to hit client numbers and revenue-wise in the online business?
Yeah, and I suppose with PT, you know, it was a great foundation for me.
Yeah.
For coming in online.
For many people.
When I came in online, we've been making consistent 10K months now with 35 clients. So it's been mind-blowing even for myself when you're coming from a place like that. But it comes down to, I suppose, being at events like this as well, you know, they're eye-opening for people.
Now, and these events aren't easy for you to come to. Still, a few years in, there's still a bit of nerves coming to these events. You push yourself to be at them. If they're so uncomfortable for you to be here, why are you here?
I think there's always another level. I think, or we get stuck in our own ways, you know, and think, oh, I'll never be able to do this or that. But if you told me, Mark, back in a few years ago, you'd be making 10K months, I probably wouldn't have believed you, you know. So I think it's just being around like-minded people is massive as well, you know. Being around these people yourself, learning from you, it's been a game changer.
Well, listen, you're a family man. You got 3 kids?
3 kids,
three
boys.
kids. And you've taken your business from not a lot of time at home and 2 to 3K a month to 10K and being all around for your family. I'm guessing it's not just a financial growth change to your life, it's a transformative aspect to your whole life. Just as a family perspective, how has you being around and earning 10K a month impacted you and your family now?
It's massive. It's really massive because, you know, when you have a family, of course, it's about them. Of course, it's about me as well, going on my own personal development journey. But, you know, now I can provide for them, you know, and if they need something, I'm not worried about going, where am I going to get this money from? I have it there, and then I can help them, whatever needs comes up.
Evan, the journey continues. I just want to say from me to you, congrats.
Mark, thanks so much.
All right, man. Good to see you. Good to see you, man.
I appreciate it, man.